While it was in my childhood days, oh Lord, many long years ago. Now with the Spirit, now of my Savior, I was filled, Lord, filled, oh, in that old fashioned meeting, oh Lord, our memories, they linger still in that little, oh, that wooden church house out on a hill. You know.
MotoExotica.com.
Thanks for watching. Now visit us on all of our social media platforms. You know what they are. Where all that crap and like and share and comment. Do it. You know you will. Thanks for watching again. Get out and drive.